In today's video, I'm going to show you how to search fonts in CapCut quickly and easily so you can find the exact style you want without scrolling forever through the font list. This is a super useful trick whether you're editing short-form content, YouTube videos, or just trying to make your captions look cleaner and more professional. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more CapCut tips and editing tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your CapCut project and add some text to your timeline. To do that, go to the Text tab in the top left menu. Once you're in the text section, choose Default Text and drag it down onto your timeline. This gives you a text layer that you can edit and style however you want. Now click on the text box on your timeline to select it. Once it's highlighted, look to the top right panel and open the text section, then go into Basic. This is where all of your main text settings are located, including size, color, spacing, and of course, the font selection. To search for a font, click inside the font selection box where the current font name is displayed. This is the key part. Instead of scrolling through the entire font library, just type the first few letters of the font you want. For example, if you're looking for Arial, type A-R-I-A. CapCut will automatically filter and jump to matching fonts in the drop-down list. This saves a lot of time, especially if you already know the name of the font you want but don't want to waste time hunting for it manually. You can use this same method for any built-in font that appears in the list. Just click, type the first letters, and let CapCut bring it up for you. If you've downloaded a custom font and it doesn't show up near the top, don't worry. Scroll all the way to the bottom of the font dropdown and look under the System Fonts header. That's where CapCut often places custom or installed fonts, so if you added a new font to your device, this is the section to check. Once you find the font you want, just click it and it will be applied to your text instantly. From there, you can continue customizing the size, spacing, color, and alignment to match the style of your video, and that's really all there is to it. Searching fonts in CapCut is simple once you know this trick, and it can save you a ton of time during editing. No more endless scrolling, no more guessing, and no more frustration trying to find the right typeface. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more quick CapCut tutorials, editing shortcuts, and creative workflow tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.